creating illegal connection. When you do it, you are a thief.
Ẹ ṣe ayédèrú wáyà iná. Olè lẹni tó ṣerú kan bẹ́ẹ̀.
Tí ẹnìkan bá ti ṣe nínú ilé tí gbogbo yín bá lo iná yẹn, olè ní gbogbo.
If someone did it in a house and all of you are using that light, all of you in that house, you are a thief.
Ilé tó o bá ń gbé,
The house you're living,
tí wọ́n bá ń lo illegal connection,
if they are using illegal connection,
wá electrician kó lọ fọwọ́ ara ẹ̀ já iná ẹ̀.
find electrician and go and
Ó
remove your whole
bẹ́tà
light
kó
from
wà
them.
nínú òkùnkùn ju kó gbé ìgbé ayé òkùnkùn.
It's better for you to stay in darkness
Ó
other
bẹ́tà
than for you
kó wà
to
nínú
be
òkùnkùn
living in
ju
darkness.
kó gbé ìgbé ayé òkùnkùn.
It's better for you to be sleeping in that darkness
Máa sùn
than
lókùnkùn
to be living in darkness.
kó má bàa gbé ìgbé ayé òkùnkùn.
Sleep in darkness so that you will not live a life of darkness.
Àwọn orúkọ wo náà máa ń jẹ́ bóyá NEPA ni bóyá.
What kind of name do they call them?
Wọ́n wá sójú àdúgbò.
They claim
Nínú
to
ilé
be
yín.
in your house.
Ẹ máa ń tíìpù wọn lówó.
You used to see them
Kọ́ má bàa jáná yín.
so that they will not disconnect your life.
Jésù. Àwọn nǹkan kéékèèké tí a ò kíyèsí.
Little things that we will not take note of.
Don't call the devil. You can call the devil any name,
Ẹ lè pe èṣù ní orúkọ tó bá wù yín.
but don't call him a fool.
Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má pè é ní ẹ̀gbọ́dẹ̀
Ó pè.
àbí òpònú.
Tó bá pe èṣù ní òpònú,
If you call him
á
a
lò
fool,
ká Báíbù ẹ̀.
he will say you never read your Bible
Ibi
well.
téṣù á ti mú ẹ ló máa ń ṣọ́.
Where the Satan will get hold of you, that's where he monitors.
Ó ṣọ́ Mósè kó tó mu.
He monitors Moses till he got him.
Ó fi 80 years sọ Mósè.
He used 80 years to monitor Moses,
Ó dẹ̀ mú mu ṣíkú.
and he captured him easily.
Ó ń gbàdúrà, ó ń ṣe gbogbo kan, á dún wábì kan, á wábì kan.
You are praying, you are doing all. He will just find
Nínú ilé, ó sọ pé
a place.
ohun gbogbo èèyàn ju tiẹ̀ lọ.
You are saying in your house, you are saying everyone's voices is louder
Nínú
than
kó
yours.
máa gbé lókùnkùn.
For you to be living
Tàbí kó kó kúrò nílé.
in darkness or pack your things out of that house.
Illegal connection.
Ṣíṣe ayédèrú
Àbí wọ́n gbé wáyà gba ẹ̀yìn pìtéèjì. Wọ́n wá ń
iná
gbé
wọnú
wáyà
ilé, or they took the wire
Ó
over
ta
the
ìjọba
prepaid.
orílẹ̀-èdè lólè.
That means that means you are stealing from the government
And you must
of
pay
that
for it.
nation. O gbúdọ̀ san.
Mo fẹ́ lè kò ní tò máa yín.
I know you not like this.
Torí pé kò ní tò lẹ́nu ìwà ní sọ.
I will not say it.